To make our lime, basil, and mandarin reed diffuser, you'll need the following: a set of digital weighing scales, a stainless steel or glass pouring jug, although this is optional, a 100 ml diffuser bottle from Craftovator, a small funnel, a silver reed diffuser cap with travel stopper from Craftovator, 8 Craftovator fiber diffuser reeds, 20 grams of Craftovator's lime, basil, and mandarin fragrance oil, 80 grams of Craftovator's Ogio Clean Multi-Diffuser base, and a set of nitrile gloves. Place the jug on your scales and turn on. Weigh out 80 grams of Ogio Clean Multi-Diffuser base. We find it easier to pour the base into a larger container first, but you can pour this straight into the diffuser bottle using your funnel if you prefer. Next, using your funnel, transfer the base from your jug to your diffuser bottle. Placing your bottle with the funnel on the scales, zero out your scales and add 20 grams of lime, basil, and mandarin fragrance oil. Place the plastic travel stopper and screw the cap back on your diffuser bottle. Shake well for around 30 seconds to ensure the mixture is fully combined. Now, remove the stopper and the cap, but replace only the cap. Insert 8 fiber diffuser reeds into the top of your bottle and fan out. Your reed diffuser is ready to use, but remember to flip the reeds after 48 hours to ensure they're fully soaked and to get the best possible scent throw in your room. For a stronger scent throw, leave your made-up reed diffuser sealed for around 48 to 72 hours to allow the mixture to fully bind and settle. This will ensure your reed diffuser performs at its best once opened. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial from Craftovator. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.